Okay, so Celsius, well, it's basically made so that, do you happen to know anything about 0 degrees Celsius?
Freezing is 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, that's the freezing point of water, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's also made so that 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. Anybody know what the boiling point of water is in Fahrenheit? You nearly got it. Okay, I wish this thing would start writing again. Well, it's 212, so it's 180 degrees higher than the freezing point. So 180 and the 32 is 212. Oh, there we go. So it's made so that 100 degrees is the boiling point of water. I guess I should have said water on this. Which is 212 Fahrenheit. So you can kind of see on this, to get from Celsius to Fahrenheit, well, let me go with what Austin said for a second. That is plus 180 degrees on the Fahrenheit side, where it's plus 100 degrees on the Celsius side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the Celsius guy, you're going to times it by 180 over 100, because that's kind of the difference in the scale. And then you're going to add 32. Or if you reduce that fraction, it's 5 over 9. So Fahrenheit is 9 over 5 Celsius plus 32. And let me go ahead and, if you get the Celsius by itself, if you're going the other way, well, you go Fahrenheit minus 32 and then times 5 over 9. All right. So we're going Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we're going to multiply by 9 over 5, which, by the way, is also 1.8. So 41 times 1.8 plus 32 is 105.8. Let's do another one of those. Yeah. So 37, again, I'm starting in Celsius, so it's, yeah, times 1.8 and plus 32. Hey, 98.6, what does that remind you of? Yeah. Let's go to 53, see if we're going the other way. Okay, the other way, for Fahrenheit, I mean, for Celsius, we multiplied by 1.8 first, then added. Going the other way, you go in the reverse order, so we're going to subtract first, then divide by 1.8. Right? So actually, let me, since we're saying the 1.8, let me reroute those just for the grins of it. If my pen will work. Yeah. Yeah, I do have a lot of problems with this pen. So this is F minus 32 divided by 1.8. Okay. So 327 minus 32. Go ahead and hit equals, and then divide by 1.8. 163.9. Sounds like Texas in the summer.
Oh, no. I don't think it gets that high.
All right. One more. All right, the label on a bottle of medicine reads, each 5 milliliter teaspoon contains glucose. What is glucose? Yeah, it's very simple sugar. 1.87 grams. Levulose, I have no idea what that is. 1.87, it's another sugar. And phosphoric acid. Yeah. Phosphoric acid, 21.7 milligrams. So, find the amount of phosphoric acid in the recommended dosage of 2 teaspoons. Yeah, they're kind of confusing you with the 5 milliliters. You don't need that. It's like, oh, that's 1 teaspoon. So just 2 of those is 42, so 43.4. There are how many milligrams of phosphoric acid in the bottle? Let me see. The bottle is 6 ounces. Okay, there we need it. Okay, so 6 ounces. Am I going to times or divide by 30 to get milliliters in the bottle?
Basically, 6 teaspoons per ounce, so you need it times 6, 36, 21.7.
Okay, so the other way you go about it, yeah,
That is a way
to go about it. So I was going to start at the ounces side and get to teaspoons, but you can start from the teaspoon and say, okay, well, a teaspoon's 5 milliliters. So 30 milliliters would be 6 teaspoons. And the bottle has 6 ounces. So that'd be 36 teaspoons in the bottle. So I can go 21.7 times 36. Is 781.2. Cool. We went all the way through the homework in like 45 minutes. It's pretty easy homework, ain't it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I figured I have that one there on purpose because I kind of figure y'all want a little bit of a break after doing algebra, which
That means then we'll have another, you got a test on Thursday for the algebra stuff, and we'll have another test